Hey, guess what, man? I'm with I'm stargazing at all the stars over here. Terry Jones, she's the greatest retired school teacher of all, and the greatest musician.
Hi, my name's Elvis.
Yeah, right.
But who's the festive chef?
The man with the
Hey,
band.
check out our man in the band! Hey, guess what? I'm at the Hot Club reunion. I got all my friends here for a wow. So, who's the festive chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big check out the man in the band! Hey, guess what, man? Here's the greatest guys in Hawaii. The greatest people in Hawaii. But who's the festive chef?
Man in the pan.
Man in the band! Big check out!
Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something super exciting for you. The most easiest dish that you're ever going to make. So I got this thing called 1916 breading and batter mix. It's seasoned. It's all the season. Everything is in this bag. Okay? So I get this breading mix. Put some right inside this great pot. Just like this. And in this other pan, right? Pot, I crack one egg, okay? Just like that. Grab the egg, you can add some water you want inside, okay? Just like this. I have this ahi belly. I bought this small kind of ahi belly here, okay? You could use ahi belly, you could use ahi, you could use mahi or any type of fish. So you could use fish or you could use pork chops
Or chicken.
for this dish here. So simple, okay? Get the pan, put in some oil, okay? Put in the egg wash. You can use water, you can use whatever. Okay, that's simple, okay? All you do is you get the ahi belly, you roll it inside this mix, okay? The mix gonna start and put it inside your frying pan. Just like that, okay? Okay, when you try it one side, you just turn it over gently, yeah? It's the full side. This thing here is going to be really good. Again, you can use it for chicken, you can use it for fish, and you can use it for pork chops. Pork chop is going to be incredibly good. Okay, when it's cooked on all sides, then you remove it and put it inside the pan. Okay? Now here you go. Fried fish using 1916 breaded batter mix. It's so oil. No need to show you, you don't need nothing. You could squeeze some lemon on there. There you go again. Oh. You can even use pork chops. Pork chops gonna taste even better. What? You don't believe me? I'm gonna show you what I mean. I'm gonna make my 1916 pork chops. I got the pork chop, right? I put it inside the egg wash, put it inside my mix. Okay.
I add oil in the pan and fry it on both sides. Then slice it in bite-sized
There
pieces.
you go. Pork chops. Oh. This is the best pork chop you will ever eat. Again, the 1916 bread and batter mix is so unbelievable. Why today? Simple, easy to cook. Aloha.